How to get emails from Aliexpress. Now, in order to get emails for your updates and promotions in Aliexpress, just simply open your browser and search for Aliexpress in there. In order to open the website of aliexpress.com, just simply open the aliexpress.com. Then you are going to see this home page. From here you are going to see a bunch of options. You just simply need to select the option of account from the bottom right corner, and once you tap in there, you are going to be in your profile page. From here you need to select the option of settings. Just simply tap to it, and after selecting settings you need to choose the option of manage email subscription, which will be in here directly. Just simply tap to manage email subscriptions and you are going to be in this page, and these are the email notifications. You just simply need to enable these toggles for whatever email. You can get three types of emails. First one is orders, second one is promotions, and third one is services. Just simply select whatever emails that you want to receive from Aliexpress and disable the ones that you don't want. And this is how you can get the emails from Aliexpress. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.